Hello everyone! During this special time of the year, I'd like to send you our warmest wish on behalf of the entire TRESUN team. We wish you and your family a Merry Christmas and a healthy, peaceful New Year. We are truly grateful for your support and trust over the past year. It's because of the partners like you that we are able to turn great designs into real products. Thank you! Today, we are excited to show you our Christmas Collector Series, a magical snowman themed holiday collection we've carefully created. This set includes more than 60 items. Our goal is simple, to help you create a perfect festival atmosphere and bring the joy and the warmth of Christmas into every home. The collection includes practical everyday pieces such as dinner plate, coffee mugs, candy jar, and more. So, let's take a look at this unique series. We use high-quality white clay, giving each piece a smooth, refined, and bright finish. For production, we combine slip casting technique with hand printing and color glazes, giving every snowman its own personality and charm. All glazes and decorative materials meet strict safety and environmental standards, so you can use them with complete confidence. This coffee mug is my personal favorite. Enjoying a warm drink with its smooth touch and adorable design can brighten your whole day. Which one do you like the most?